storage? Fear not, there's plenty more to be had, and all for absolutely nothing. Dropbox is available on all major mobile platforms and seamlessly integrates into both PC and OS X laptops, desktops and hybrid machines, with the idea being you always have access to your stuff wherever you are, providing you have an internet connection. Dropbox. In addition, Dropbox has recently cut how much it charges for storage by quite a margin. As noted by Apple Insider, Dropbox has today slashed its pricing and doubled the maximum storage space from 500 GB to 1 TB. Up until yesterday, you'd have been paying $500 per year for 500 GB. Today you can pay just $120 per year, or $99 per year when paying annually, for a terabyte. The great thing is Dropbox actually allows you to get up to 21 GB of free space just by performing some tasks. First I'll explain the dead simple tasks, and then I'll tell you about a workaround several people have tried that quickly got them over 16 GB of space. Sign up for Dropbox 2 GB. This is pretty self-explanatory. In order to get some Dropbox space you first need to sign up for it. You can do that here. Creating a free account will get you 2 GB of space to start. Link your Dropbox account to Facebook 125 MB. Yes, it's only 125 MB, but linking your Facebook account to Dropbox still gets you free space. Go to this page and choose Link your Facebook account. Facebook will ask you if you want to link your account. Click OK and 125 MB of free space will automatically be added to your Dropbox. The great thing about this is you can actually revoke Dropbox's access to your Facebook account right away and still keep the free space forever. Follow Dropbox on Twitter -125 MB. By following Dropbox on Twitter you will get another 125 MB of space. Note that you just can't find a Dropbox on Twitter and click the follow button. You need to follow Dropbox from your Dropbox account page. To do that, go here and click follow Dropbox on Twitter. 125 MB will automatically be added to your Dropbox account. The great thing about this is, like Facebook, you can unfollow Dropbox right away and still keep the extra space. Tweet about Dropbox 125 MB. Being a shill for Dropbox on Twitter will nab you another 125 MB of free space. Again, go here and click tweet about Dropbox link. A window will open with a tweet saying I love Dropbox because it rocks. Click the tweet button and you'll have another 125 MB of free storage. And yep, feel free to delete this corporate advertising tweet right away. You still get to keep the free space. Use Dropbox's Carousel app -3 GB. This one is where the cheddar is. Dropbox has an app called Carousel and once you use it Dropbox will give you an extra 3 GB of space for absolutely nothing. Once installed on your iPhone or Android device it will automatically upload and categorize every photo and video on your device to your Dropbox account. I know, photos and videos are huge and you don't want your Dropbox space being taken up by them. The great thing is that for the first 3 GB of photos and videos uploaded Dropbox gives you extra space equaling the size of the upload. So all you need to do is shoot one really high quality video of anything, it could be your wall, just so its file size is 3 GB. Carousel will automatically upload it to Dropbox. Once it does, you'll have an extra 3 GB of free space. Then simply delete the video and you'll still get to keep the free space. And if you're like me and don't need another photo backup app, then just delete Carousel from your phone so none of your future space is taken up by photos or videos. Carousel can be downloaded for iOS here and Android here. Use Dropbox's Mailbox app 1 GB. Dropbox bought an uber popular iOS mail client called Mailbox. And now if you use it and link it with your Dropbox account, Dropbox will give you an extra 1 GB of free space. To get the free space, launch the Mailbox app on your device, sign into your Dropbox account with your Dropbox credentials. Bam! Another 1 GB is added to your account. Feel free to delete Mailbox after you get the free space, it's yours to keep forever. Mailbox can be downloaded for iOS here and Android here. Refer your friends up to 16 gigabytes. Referring your friends to Dropbox is how you can get a majority of the free space Dropbox offers. For every friend you refer, you'll get an additional 500 megabytes of space, up to 16 gigabytes total. That means you need to refer 32 friends to get all 16 gigabytes of free space. There are some caveats with this. After you refer your friends, they actually need to go through the whole sign up and install process. The good thing is they don't need to tell Dropbox you referred them. Dropbox will know this from their email address. But just because they sign up with their email doesn't mean you get the free space. They still need to install the Dropbox client on their Mac or PC. Once that is done, you'll get 500 megabytes go free space per referral. There are some drawbacks to this, however. If someone else has already referred this person's email, they get the free space. It's first come, first served. Also, given that Dropbox is so popular, it's unlikely you'll actually know 32 people who don't already have an account. With that in mind, it's been known for a while that you can just refer fake emails to Dropbox. In other words, you can make up an email address, refer it, and then sign up for a Dropbox account with that fake email. Once you do, you'll get 500 megabytes of space. Now, this isn't exactly honest, and it is time consuming too. That's because you can only get referral space from a new user that creates an account on a computer that has not previously been linked to Dropbox before. So you can't create 32 fake referral accounts from your laptop. A friend once told me his solution to this was going to various Apple stores in his city for 5 weeks straight and setting up fake referral accounts on the various demo units in the stores. It took him a while, but he eventually got all 16 gigabytes of space.